we can customize the spacing around any content block. This helps us tweak the alignment so it looks perfect. We can see this block here is pushed against the top of our form, so perhaps we wish to introduce a little bit of space at the top. So mouse over the block and click on the Edit button. From here we can hop over to the Style menu. At the bottom here we've got a spacing option. At the moment we can see we've got 20 pixels horizontal spacing and 10 pixels vertical. If we click on the normal button here, you can flip this over to advanced mode. Now we've got the option to customize the spacing on all four corners. So we wish to increase the spacing at the top here. Let's click on the plus button to bump it up a little bit. Okay, we've increased this to 60 pixels spacing at the top, and our subscribe form has dropped down a little bit because we've now introduced this spacing here. This looks perfect. You can also tweak the other options if you want to. When you finish making your amendments, click on Save and Close.